My name is Morris, and I sought CHI Health for two total knee replacements and 2 total hip replacements. It almost put me in a depressive state because I was seeing myself going down. And I got so much to live for. I have a beautiful wife at home, Amelia. I have kids, 2 twin boys, and I also have a grandson. When I found out that I could get both of them, my knees and both of my hips replaced, I felt like, oh my God, I got a chance. And CHI Health was a big part of it. And it's amazing to have a doctor call your home and see how you are. It's more life. I actually have life to live. I wake up excited and not mumbling and grumbling, you know what I mean? It's every day is a beautiful day because I can do some things that I used to couldn't do. And man, I actually played basketball and I'm like, oh my goodness, I am better than I was before. So yeah, it exceeded my thoughts.